Today, we will be installing the rear arch extension. Okay? As many of you will know, the base model, the S model, many of the models do not come with their rear arch extension. Okay? And this is something that many people put on not just for looks but to deflect the rocks that come from the street and the debris, because we do not want to damage any other cars, especially our cars, when the rocks will pick up, especially if you have bigger rims, because there's people out there who have the 17s and 18s, they do not have, the car did not come with the wheel arch extension. But if you are if you are wearing the 20-inch or 21-inch rims, majority of your cars will come with this extension. Mine did not come with this extension. I am gonna put this on today, and I will show you how to put an extension. And that way, you can also put them in your car. I will show you a before and after picture, okay, about these extension wheel arches. Let me show you here. So they give you two parts, okay? There's a right side, of course, the passenger side. And then also we have the left side, okay? Which is, of course, the driver's side. Now, even though this may be only a couple millimeters wide, it will make a difference. I've compared my car along with other cars with the extension, and there is a big appearance difference in both of the cars. Let me show you the before and after, okay? Let me show you here. Okay. So this here is my Macan S, okay? It's a 2017, as you can tell. Make sure there's no neighbors here looking at me all crazy. All right, look, this one here does not have the arch extension, okay? And I put on 20-inch wheels here, but I also have 22s, because for the summertime in Chicago, there's something that you have to do. I don't know what they call it. I think they call it stunt. I don't know, okay? But look, okay? So this is what we have here. Number one, okay? You are going to have to remove these screws here. You see this? Tingnan mo, ha? You see that, ha? Okay, those star, okay? See, remove it, put that. And there are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of them. One here, there's one here, there's one more here, and then all the way up here. No problem, okay? Right up here somewhere, right up. You'll see it. Okay, and once you have the fender liner, you want it to be able to do this, like this. Just that much. That's all you need, okay? Now here, obviously, this one, you're gonna have to push out the rear bumper just a little bit, okay? Because you are gonna need to get behind this black piece. And this is where this one will go. And look, you see these holes here? That's because you are going to use the factory screws to hold this in place, okay? So let me show you what to do. So once we move the fender liner, you move the bumper out just a little bit. Look. It looks like it's broken, but it's not. Do not worry. Okay? So you have to put this in here. Okay? You have to go behind the black piece. You see these tabs? You have to go behind it. Just like that. So let me go ahead and install this. And all you have to do is line up the holes. Okay, you see that hole there? And you see this hole here? Right there, it's to line up with these holes here. That's where you are going to put the other screws. Let me go ahead and show you the before, okay? Okay, let me show you a quick tip, okay? So, you will see a cross here, okay? You make sure that goes all the way in there. Make sure it's perfectly flush and fit within there, okay? You see this hole here? Okay, and when you are doing this, you just have to move this back. You see this? Like that. Don't not be scared. This is like plexiglass. It's not like carbon fiber or something like that. So you just pull it back, and you'll be able to slide this piece in, this rear arch extension. Okay, and once you do that, you push everything back in like this. Boom. Okay, now let me put it back, and I'll show you the after effect. Okay, let me show you another tip that you may not know or realize to do, okay? You see this? You have to make sure you squeeze this, and this. That way, the extension sits all the way out. So it will be flush and sitting correctly. Like this. Tingnan mo. Okay, and you make sure this one goes all the way to the edge of this. Make sure it is flush. Okay, very flush. Look at that, everything's correct. Okay, you see this? Okay, let me bolt everything up and I'll show you. Okay, so here is a view without the wheel. So you get the idea. You see this extension right here? It sticks out a little bit. It's almost like a mini body kit. Okay, so here is the final product, okay, of the rear arch extension. You can see it a little bit pops out. It's supposed to protect from the rocks and the debris from the roads. But there it is. It looks very good. Look at that, huh? That's the rear view. You can kind of see it sticking out there. You see that? Okay. Ta-da! Let's see the other side from the front view. As you are looking at it, oh, look at that. It looks very good. Oh, look at that. Okay. Okay. I hope you enjoyed the video. I hope you tell your friends about the rear arch extension. And then you have a great day.